Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Well, this side Rajya Lakshmi Singham. If you're just starting out with Python, today's topic is going to be super helpful for you. We are going to talk about membership operators, the little keywords that help you check whether something exists inside a list, string, or any collection in Python. Don't worry, we'll go step by step and use examples that are really easy to understand. So Python gives us two membership operators, which are in and not in. Let's see how they work. Imagine you have a basket of fruits and you want to check if an apple is inside. So that's exactly what the in operator does in Python. It checks whether something is present inside a list or string or any collection. Like for example, if we create a list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll give a condition if 3 in list, my list, then just print number 3 is present in the list. Else print number 3 is not present in the list. Okay. So here, Python, if you give if3 in my list, so Python looks inside this my list and it will check whether the list have 3 or not. If the number 3 is present, then that means this condition is true because you see 3 is present in the list. So it will just print this number 3 is present in the list. See, this is what. For example, if you give 10 here, 10 and 10. Number 10 is not present in the list because we don't have number 10 in the list. So it will check, it will jump to my list, it will check whether the element is there or not using this in operator and then it will give us the output. And second operator we have is not in. Now let's flip this situation. Like, what if you want to check that something is not in the list or any string? So that's where not in comes in. Like, for example, just create a variable called phrase and just give a string. Hello, how are you? Okay. And now we will check whether the if x not in phrase, then print the letter X is not in the sequence or sentence. Else, you can also print the letter. It will be opposite, right? So the letter X in the sentence. That's it. So what's happening here? Here, Python checks if the letter X inside the phrase or not. So inside this, hello, how are you? So since you see X doesn't appear anywhere, So the condition is true and it prints the letter X is not in the sentence. So basically, not in is the opposite of in. See the letter X not in the list. Okay, let's check. And let's check. See the letter H in the sentence. Not in is opposite of in, so I already told you. So use in when you want to check if something exists in a list or string or collection, and use not in when you want to confirm that something does not exist there. It's like asking, is this ingredient in my recipe? Or no, it's not in there. So this is what about in and not in. All right, friends. That's it for today's lesson on membership operators. Remember, these tiny operators can save you from writing long loops and make your code so much cleaner and smarter. Now, before you go, if this video helped you understand things a little better, do me a small favor. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you'll never miss out on future videos where we make coding feel easy and fun together. And hey, drop a comment telling me what you'd like me to cover next. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and happy coding.